All right, now we have the markets mixed, and the Dow is now over 41,000, and we're at 41,200. Now, on the other hand, the NASDAQ is down big, and those tech stocks, they're being pummeled. NVIDIA is down almost 7%. Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, you name it, they're down 3.5%. And we had earnings from a few companies last night, and Five Below discount store, their CEO resigned, and they cut their sales outlook for the current quarter. And that stock is getting pummeled today, down 23%. And this is a $4 billion company. So we're talking about $1 billion in market cap wiped away. And that's pretty telling. Look, if the discount stores, if they're not doing well, if they're seeing traffic fall off, if they're seeing revenue come in light, and they're cutting their sales guidance, that's all you need to know about how this economy is doing. Now, we also had J.B. Hunt, the trucking and rail transport company, report their earnings last night, and it was brutal, bad. Operating income was down. Revenue was down, earnings per share was down, and I'm talking about 24 to 27% across the board down. And look, if revenue is coming in 27% down, this is the largest trucking and rail transport company in the nation. And if their revenue is falling 27% year over year, that's the only barometer you need to know that this economy is slowing. So just from those two earnings, in my opinion, it doesn't matter what metric, what economic metric comes out next. The weight of both of these earnings, that tells the story, in my opinion. Now, we had housing starts this morning, and single family units, they saw another decline for the fourth month in a row. And that metric actually slumped to an 8-month low. Now, on the flip side, multifamily units, apartments, that construction actually rose by 3%. And building permits, they actually went up to 3.4%. So a mixed bag there. But we also had mortgage delinquencies, and they're at their highest since 2020. More and more people are getting behind on their mortgages, and that's not good. And more troubling news yesterday, 401k hardship withdrawals, they continue to move higher. Now, we've had this market take off in the past few months, and that's helped. But 401k hardship withdrawals keep moving up. And one of the big reasons why people are withdrawing their money from their retirement account is to keep a roof over their head. So it doesn't look good. Now, the markets are up. The Dow keeps going up. And that's the headline we're going to see. The Dow has reached a certain benchmark. And the crowd goes crazy. The public goes wild. But in reality, this ship continues to sink. Now, onto the commodity front. Oil is up about $2 a barrel, making back what it's lost over the past few days. Gold and silver, they're pretty much unchanged. And some of the agricultural commodities, they're up. And we have a few big names reporting their earnings after the bell. United Airlines, credit card issuer Discover, the aluminum maker Alcoa, Kinder Morgan, Equifax, and a few others. And then tomorrow we have some big brand names. So we'll see where this market ends up. But a lot of the economic data in the past 24 hours, in my opinion, isn't good. This quick stock market commentary, please like and subscribe.